What is going on, guys? Tempo Trades. In today's video, I want to be talking about all of the different types of strategies and models I traded in my journey to finally get to IFVGs and become profitable. Just to be clear, I started with EMAs. I tried trend lines, pattern trading. I tried order flow. I tried scalping. I tried scalping on like the 5 and 15-second chart. What else did I even do? I tried the strat. That is my first profitable model. It's a momentum based model. And then I tried ICT. And basically my strategy was I was trying to figure out which model fit with my personality. I would give 2 to 3 months to each model because I really don't think anything long, like shorter than a month, is fair. You can have a hot month with any model in the world. You could have a hot week, a hot month. So if you try a model and it's horrible or it's good or bad for a week, you can't say, okay, I'm going all in with this model. You need to collect data. So for me, I would join a Discord. I would look up YouTube videos about the model and I would try trading with it or try trading within the Discord community for, like I said, 2 to 3 months, even make a spreadsheet of your win rate. And that way you're able to determine if you like the model or not. So really, all that is to say that, you know, after 2 to 3 months of trend lines, 2 to 3 months of EMAs, 2 to 3 months of order flow, I could not be profitable with anything. It was either break even, red, and nothing was meshing with my personality until I found ICT. And guys, let me tell you, this model changed my life. ICT in general, the concept changed my life. And I went from $0 or negative to now making money every single month. Now, let's look at IFVGs, right? Here's a day where IFVGs worked very, very well. I believe this was Tuesday of this week. And again, if you just stick to a checklist, here I have my personal checklist. You can find this on my Discord page, but this is my personal checklist, okay? If you have this checklist and you stick to a set of rules, a set of conditions that need to be met for you to take a high quality setup, your win rate and your profitability is going to increase. So that way, if I ever got that impulsive thing in my brain that's telling me, oh my God, I want to enter long or I want to enter short, I can just look at this and I can say, okay, are a couple of these conditions being met, right? There's 6 boxes to check off, or at least 3 or 4 of these conditions being met to classify it as a good setup. And this has stopped me from taking so many bad trades and honestly has gotten me a ton of payouts. But again, just this as a setup on Tuesday, you can see really clearly how well the IFVGs work, right? With the IFVGs, you enter long when the candle closes above the gap and you enter short when the candle closes below the gap. That is a very basic outlook on it. You then add a bunch of the confluences and context that we always talk about to determine how good of a setup it is. But just looking at the basic IFVG plays right here, you could see this one, if you entered long, would have given you 50 points. Then this one, if you would have entered short, would have given you, I believe, another 50 points, right? Then if you would have entered this one long, this one would have given you another 60 points. So this is really like a picture perfect day with IFVGs. The movement on this day was absolutely insane, but it just goes to show the model does work. You just need to add context, add confluences, and not just take every single setup. If you just start hopping different strategies, you are going to mess yourself up. I know a ton of people out there, especially who are new, they'll take a setup, trade it for 3 days. On the 3rd day, the setup will fail. Then they'll just abandon that setup, go take another model. And now when you're looking at the charts, you're looking at it from a trader with 2 or 3 different entry models, and those can easily conflict each other and mess you up. For me, I only look at the charts in the way of an ICT trader. I'm not seeing trend lines. I'm not seeing supply and demand. I only see liquidity, IFVGs, and stuff like that. And I just really think consuming so much information of all these different models and strategies is a recipe for disaster, to be honest with you. And this is what I'm going to leave you with, guys. After 3 years of trying almost every single trading model there is, this is how I feel. It's fuck trend lines, fuck EMAs, fuck patterns, fuck supply and demand, and all the other models. I have found the one that makes me money. And if ICT is the model for you that does that, great. I will never look at another trading model again. If not, that's completely fine. Maybe there's something else that meshes well with you. And once you get to that point, you should say the same exact thing here on screen. but to all the other models. So please remember that, very important. That was all I wanted to say in today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. How many trading models have you tried so far in your trading journey? And I will see you on the next one.